Hi guys, so today I have
A BB gun.
a Beretta.
Sige, turo mo sana paano paggamit.
So
Sa magazine. Okay, fully load na yan. Go. Teka sa. Target shoot. Ready. Okay, go. Okay, go, shoot. Okay, one more. Mag-jump. Yun. Puro pasok ka. Sige, go. Shoot mo. Saan tama? Okay, go. Layo sa ulo ah. Baba, tama mo. Sa mukha para sa face. Yun, head. Layo. Shoot. Shoot. Ang sight. Marunong ka mag-sight? Ang sight ha. Ito. Yung gap na yan.
put it
Papasok mo yan
in
now.
there.
Flat siya, flat ha. Flat siya. Straight mo ang kamay mo. Straight ang kamay. Straight ang kamay. Medyo tupi mo itong bahagya. Ito. Yan. Straight mo to. Ito, baluktot. Yan. Napasok. Yan, ganyan. Yan, tama yan. No more.
Fully.
Okay.
Hard.
Oh, huwag mo lang tinututok sa mukha.
Haji.
Bakit tumatok yan?
I don't remember how
Okay,
to
go.
hold a gun.
Shoot, yun. Straight.
I don't remember how
Straight.
to hold a gun.
Straight your hand.
What
Yan.
pow 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 pow?
Next that.
What
Straight.
pow 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 pow?
Make sure sight. Close your eye.
What?
Okay, shoot.
Did I miss?
I don't know.
I think I missed.
Good fire.
Okay, go. Straight.
Oh wait, what happened?
Oh, titingnan nyo nga na. Sige, go.
What?
Sige, straight mo.
I didn't throw.
Oh, yun.
Wait, I want to hit Ronald.
Oh, one more. Huwag mo titingnan ang
I
baril.
didn't look at it.
Huwag mo titingnan. Baka mami ay pumutok sa mukha mo.
That's fine.
That's what happened to Peppa Pig.